what's up guys, Dan here, and we have our wonderful model Tiffany here. Say hi, Tiffany.
Hi.
Hi. So we're doing a car wash shoot today. We've got a really fun Mercedes-Benz G Wagon we're going to be shooting with. Let's do this thing. Woo! Today I'll be shooting with my Sony a7S III, mostly because it's kind of a tight space, and I'm going to be shooting video as well. I want to make sure that I don't have to worry about the crop that I do when I'm shooting with my a7 IV. So a7S III is a crop-free 4K high frame rate video, so that would be perfect for this concept.